Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the Add to Cart button in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And for this video, we are just going to follow this article here or this blog. So basically, there are methods for removing or hiding the Add to Cart button. And one of them is to remove the feature completely, and the other is to change the styles of uh, the WooCommerce or the styles of the add to cart button and uh, change the display to none. So basically here we need to have already the products and inventory to be have enabled, and we have need to have the manage stock to be enabled so we can remove the add to cart button for a specific item. So you can just go to the code snippet for function .php file, and we can start adding these codes. So basically here, as we seen in the article, we need to have already the product and to have the manage stock to be enabled. And simply we can click on products here, and we can have our enable product review and etc. So for the inventory, we need to have also the enable stock management, and then we can start uh, playing with our themes. So in the file editor here, we need just to add these snippets of codes. So you can just copy these ones, and basically you need just to add them here in the function.php as it is showing from here. And basically you need just to go to the end of code, and you will need to add it here. Another way to do it is by changing the CSS or the style of code. So basically you need just to go to customize, and here we need just to search for customize, and then it will take you to the builder of your website, and you will need just to add additional CSS, and from here you will need just to add snippets of code, which is this one. So basically we need just to add some snippets, and basically it would be this one. So the add to cart button, you will need just to have the display as none, and you will have your uh, display or add to cart button that will vanish. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.